Hi, welcome to another Teach to Learn Foundation video. Today we'll be talking about tangents and secants. Let's start with the definition of a tangent and a secant. A secant is a line that goes through a circle or intersects it in two places. So this is a secant because it intersects the circle at both A and B. Now a secant is a line that intersects the circle in just one spot, and in this case it would be point C. Now let's go on and see the relationship between these two types of lines. First, let's start off with two tangents to this circle, both coming from point P. This point is A and this point is B. The relationship between two tangents that come from one external point is that they are equal. So if BP is X, then AP is X as well. If BP is 5, then AP is 5. It's simple. Now let's move on to something that could be a little more complicated. What if we have a tangent and a secant drawn from external point P? We have that the tangent is equal to 10 and the whole secant is equal to 20. How would you find the outside segment of the secant? This is the rule. When you have two secants or a tangent and a secant, it doesn't matter. The outside segment times the entire segment is equal to the outside segment of the other one times the entire segment of the other one. And in the case of a tangent, the outside segment is the entire segment, so you just square the tangent. So let's solve this problem. We said that the outside, x, times the entire segment, 20, equals the outside, which is 10, times the entire thing, which is also 10 because it's a tangent, or in other words, we can just square the tangent. So if we have 20x equals 100, then divide by 20, we'll get x to be equal to 5. It's not too bad. Let's try another one. What if we have two secants, meaning they both intersect in two places from point P? We have a couple points here. Now we're given the entire segment AP to be 30. We're given the outside segment of DP to be 5. We're given the outside segment of the other one, GP, to be 10. And we need to find the entire segment BP. We can label that X. So how are we going to do it? Just like I said before, the outside segment times the entire segment equals the outside segment times the entire segment. So here's the outside segment, 5. Here's the entire segment, 30. So 5 times 30 equals the outside segment, that's 10 on this one, times the entire segment, which is x on this one. So it would be 10x. 5 times 30 is 150. So you get 150 equals 10x. And when you divide by 10, you'll get x to be equal to 15. That's how you solve tangent and secant questions. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos that'll help you do well on your upcoming Regents examinations.